Mastering the ACT. Taking practice tests efficiently. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of your ACT preparation, taking practice tests. This step not only helps you familiarize yourself with the format and content of the ACT, but also builds your confidence. Let's understand why and how to make the most out of these practice sessions. Taking a practice test isn't just about answering questions. It's an opportunity to 1. Mimic the real test. It gives you a feel of the actual test environment and time constraints. 2. Identify weaknesses. You'll get to know which sections or types of questions you struggle with. 3. Track progress. By taking multiple tests, you can see how your scores improve over time. When you're ready to dive into a practice test, consider the following tips. 1. Simulate real testing conditions. Find a quiet place, and time yourself. The ACT Science Reasoning Test lasts 35 minutes, so set a timer. 2. Stay calm. Stress can impact performance. Take deep breaths and approach each question methodically. 3. Review your mistakes. After the test, don't just check your score. Go through every mistake to understand why you got it wrong. 4. Practice regularly. Don't cram. Space out your practice sessions. Regular practice helps solidify knowledge and boosts retention. Once you've completed the test, 1. Analyze your performance. Understand your strengths and areas that need improvement. 2. Seek feedback. If you're in a study group or have a tutor, discuss difficult questions. 3. Set goals. Based on your performance, set goals for your next practice test. 4. Stay consistent. Commit to taking another practice test after a set period. Remember, consistency is key. Taking practice tests is more than just a mock run. It's a tool to gauge your performance, strategies, and preparation level. We hope that this video provided you with insight on how to approach them effectively. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember that every test you take gets you one step closer to mastering the ACT. Good luck, and happy studying!